Hello, this is Pat with Petruska Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow, and I just posted a video on using the Home Sweet Homes Little Houses gift tag digital kit to make these ornaments for my twig tree. I won't elaborate on that. You'll have to go back and watch that if you're intrigued by my twig tree. But I decided I needed birds in my tree. So this is what I'm going to show you how to make. This is nothing new. I believe I've done this before in a past life. Wendy of Wendy's Journal, she did this as a potential, let's see if I've got a journal here I could show you. A potential tuck spot on a journal page like that. And then you could have a small tag that would slide down in there. Okay, that was her thought. Well, once I was doing this, I'm like, birds, I need to get a bird pattern. Well, the pattern is so simple. What you will do is, it does need to be double-sided cardstock. Now, if you've got double-sided cardstock from a past project, use that. I wanted mine to coordinate with the colors in the digital kit. I am going to post these two papers, the polka dot and the plaid, on my Facebook group, Petruska Papers Facebook group. They will be in the files there, free, and you can print them double-sided on either A4, 8.5 by 11, wherever you are. And then you're going to cut off the white if you end up with white strips, and then cut them in 1-inch strips. Okay, so I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 birds out of my paper because I had to cut off the white, and 1/2 inch was off of one. Okay. Okay, are you ready? No glue. You need scissors. So the first thing is to give this paper in the center, you're kind of breaking down those fibers so that you can convince it that it wants to go in a knot. So you decide which side is going down in. Okay, and you have to coax it. And you're going to tie a knot of sorts. Okay, so I'm looking at this, and I'm seeing that this looks, well, they look about the same right now. So I'm going to just kind of squeeze it just lightly. For the tail, now you can make yourself a pattern, but you know what? I don't care. I'm just going to cut a notch out for the tail. And for the head, I'm going to start with the top of the head and go down, do a swoopy, and then come back and come down there. And there's my bird. There's my little bird. Now, to hang it, I went through a couple of thoughts, and I thought, I could get my needle, and I could get my thread or my twine. And I decided, I don't know how much. Let's see, how much should I cut for that? I'm thinking I'm just going to do 12 inches. And then I will just slide it under there. and hope it comes out the other end. Come on, there we go. And just tie it up here, and the bird's kind of suspended in the air, not just from one single string coming down. Like that. So this is going to join my twig tree with twinkle fairy lights that I have planned. While I'm here, let's do this. So I'm hoping 10 birds are enough, but I don't know. We'll see. So let me do one more with you, because I'm just sure you're like, that was hard. Not hard, not hard. Let's get this tied on here. And I'm taping this while I'm uploading, whatever you call it, the other one. So they should hopefully be out today. And I'll get the paper posted on the Facebook group. And to get that free paper, and it's free, but you have to print it, you'll need to join my Facebook group. Let's do one more. Okay, and remember, you do need to do some softening of that to give it a curve. All right. And again, I am going to link Wendy's Junk Journal Adventure, I think is what it is. And you can go and watch that. Okay. So I'm going to tuck you down in there and pull. I mean, it's more like adjusting than pulling. Let's see. Just have to sometimes fiddle with it just a bit. There we go. And sometimes the head will be a little bigger than the tail, but that looks good. So I'm going to do the notchy on the tail, and I'm going to come down around the swoop. And a little swoop there. And there's my little bird. This one's got a red head. And let's do one more piece of twine. And then I'm going to sign off. This could be my shortest video ever. Whoa! All right, get in there. I'm probably doing it as hard as I possibly can. Come on. This should not be the hard part. There we are. There we are. There we are. Okay. I can't wait to go hang these on my twig tree. My husband thinks I'm a little nuts. Yeah, he'd be right. All right. So here in no time flat, I've got 4 little birds. And, you know, with the bluebird bungalow, I'm so tempted to make these blue, but there's no blue in my houses here, so they got to be red. So I hope you enjoy, and if you like what you see, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. I love comments. I respond to every comment, so give me a comment, okay? That was bugging me, but I don't think it matters. All right, take care. Talk to you again soon. I've got something else up my sleeve. Well, not that sleeve. Okay, ta-ta.